Ever spent weeks debugging an AI model, only to realize your evaluation framework was as fragmented as a shattered mirror? The AI Evaluation Pack delivers 30 plus industry standard benchmarks like glue, superglue, and MMLU for LLMs, automated bias detection with fairness indicators, human evaluation workflows using LangChain powered rubrics, and real time dashboards with root cause analysis down to the token level. For ML engineers drowning in Jupyter notebooks, data scientists battling sklearn pipelines, and NLP engineers wrestling with transformer configs, this is your lifeline. No more duct tape solutions. Deploy with confidence, not crossed fingers. Here's what's inside the AI Evaluation Pack: benchmark orchestration with pre configured LLM as a judge templates, bias detection modules integrating AI Fairness 360 and FairLearn, human evaluation frameworks with mTurk integration, automated test generation using adversarial NLI and counterfactual stress testing. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From data drift detection to model explainability reports, we've got your stack covered. Installing the AI Evaluation Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add AI Evaluation Pack. That's it. You get the entire workflow: benchmark frameworks, bias mitigation algorithms, and evaluation rubrics. No more NPM package roulette. This lands directly in your Claude Code session, upgrades your Copilot to understand fairness metrics, and turns your Gemini CLI into a bias busting machine. Your AI assistant now speaks fluent evaluation engineering. Tomorrow's deployment ready AI starts with today's 3-second install.